Hello everyone, this is Mimi, and today I'm going to be doing a review of two brand new, hot off the press, new to the market products from NYX. First, I'm going to be talking about the product I use to fill in my eyebrows, which look exceptional today. I think really good, at least. And that is this product right here, the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Eyebrow Kit. This is a liquid eyebrow filler. It is supposed to be waterproof, smear-proof, and fade-proof. It is part of NYX's Can't Stop, Won't Stop line. And on one side, there is a liquid with a brush, which is on this side. And on the other side, there's a comb and brush-tipped grooming edge. And the color I have is brunette. And as you can see, this is brown, and it is the second darkest color in the entire group of colors. I think there's like 8 of them, and this is the second darkest one. The next color up is black. But when I first used this product, took it out of the tube, it's very runny, it's very liquidy, and the color, when I first put it on my face, it's just brown. I'm going to do a swatch so you can see what happens as this dries. There's a swatch that's brown. That's the color when you first put it on. And as it dries, it gets dark. It literally darkens a lot. And I'll show you in a second. But I want to show you this brush tip first to give it some time to dry down and explain how I use this product. The other side is this. You can see it's a brush, it's soft, kind of a firm brush, and a comb. Nothing special. And this is real messy. Look at that. That's how liquidy and messy this product is. And I don't have anything to wipe my hand on, but well, anyway. This literally dries down dark. But as you're using this, wipe off the tip of the brush and draw a line under your brow in the shape you want. Then use the brush that comes with it to smooth out that line and blend it upward into your brow. And then the trick to filling in your brow is to clean off, again, the excess on the tip of the brush, and then to fill in your brow going with the grain of the hairline that you have in short strokes. If you try to fill in a completely new brow with this product, it's not going to work. It's not going to look good. Now that this has had a few minutes to dry, let me put another swatch of this color on my hand so you can see how it darkens. Look at that. On the left is it just applied, and on the right is the one that's almost dry. I mean, it darkens a lot. And I can tell you from my experience that with the way this darkens and gets dark, that if I'd gotten the darker color, it would have been too dark for me. It wouldn't have looked nice. It wouldn't have looked natural. And I'm a mess, so I'll be back in a second. And now that I'm back, to finish up with the Eyebrow Kit product from NYX, it does not run, it does not smear, it does not fade, it does not come off. That swatch I had on my hand did not come off with soap and water. It did not come off with water running over it. It only came off when I used oil-based eye makeup remover and a cotton pad. If you are someone who is afraid of your eyebrows melting and smearing off in the heat and humidity, you will be in love with that product because your eyebrows will absolutely go nowhere. Now that I've got that out of the way, let's move on to the second product, which is the new NYX Sweet Cheeks Matte Blush. This blush is called a cream powder blush, and yet when I swatch it with my finger, it doesn't feel wet. It feels silky, very silky, and it is super pigmented. I have this on my face right now, and I literally had to put more powder on over it to buff down the color. It's that pigmented. And this is the color Citrine Rose. I'm going to swatch it for you on my hand. And this color is described on the NYX website as a pink coral, and it really is a pink coral. It's pretty. It's one of my favorites, and it's very pigmented. It applies smoothly. I don't know how it wears since this is the very first time I put it on. It was literally just before they started filming. So I have another color out of the color. It's called Silence is Golden, which is yellow. It's also in the matte. Now the website, NYX website, also has these colors in same exact colors, but with a shimmer finish. And I actually like these so much that I'm gonna get some of those as well. And that's Goldenrod. I mean, Silence is Golden. Isn't that pretty? It's pastel yellow. Ooh, I can't wait to try that. I haven't put it on my face today. I'm not going to put it on my face today, so I'll come up with a look, and if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see how when I come up with there, eventually I'll work with it. But they have a lot of colors. I don't remember off the top of my head. I'll put it in the comments section in these, but super, super pretty. Super pretty. Highly pigmented. Probably the best pigmented, highly pigmentation I've seen in a drugstore blush ever. Actually, ever. And it applies smooth and creamy, which is probably why it's called a cream powder, because it's so silky. It really is silky. It's a little dry, but it has this beautiful, smooth, silky texture. It's easy to blend, and it is not splotchy. So if you like my reviews, please give me a 2 thumbs up and subscribe, and tell me what you think, what I can improve, what I can't improve, blah, 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 whatever. Give me 2 thumbs up, and talk to you later. Bye.